Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. My name is Stephanie and I'm the creative behind my prints collection. On today's tutorial we are gonna learn how to create this cool and amazing 3D neon shadow effect on your lettering by using the Procreate app and the iPad Pro. I'll be publishing a new video every Tuesday and you'll be the first one to get notified. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Let's open the Procreate app, click on the plus sign to add a new canvas. Let's go with a screen size. So I have my template here. And we are going to create this 3D neon shadow effect. So I'm gonna write the word neon. I'm gonna go to my brush library, but I've selected a purple color, this cool purple. Well, let's see. No, let's go with this reddish purple with this red color. I'm gonna go to the brush library. This brush comes with the Procreate app, so you go to Luminance and then Light Pen. And on a new layer, I'm gonna write the word neon. So this brush is pressure sensitive, so if you light stroke, if you do like a darker stroke, a stronger stroke. So let's increase the size of this one and write my word neon. So there you go, you have the word neon. Let me turn this off. And I'm gonna add a layer under my lettering, and let's add some cool black background. So to color the background, you can drag the color, or if you want, you go to the layer, you click here and you click fill layer. So now that we have the word neon ready, what we are going to do is go to the layer, duplicate the layer underneath. We are going to click on the adjustment and we are going to reduce the opacity around 80%. And then we are going to select this and drag that layer a little bit. Repeat the process. Duplicate the layer, the last layer, go to your last layer and reduce the opacity to around 60%. Again, select and move your layer a little bit down the road. Go to the last layer again, swipe left, duplicate, go to the last layer, decrease the opacity around 40%. Again, selection tool to move your lettering, move it a little bit, and then the last layer, you go again to your last layer. We're gonna hit duplicate, go to your last layer, reduce the opacity to 20%. Selection tool and move it a little bit down and on your left. So if I click on my layer, so this is if you want to select multiple layers to move around, what you do is hit select on one layer and then swipe right and it will select this group. You can group the layers or just hit the selection tool and then move it around where you think it works best. And there we go. With a couple of steps, we've created with one of the brushes that Procreate already has, we've created this amazing neon effect with a 3D shadow, which is quite cool and you can use on your lettering. If you like this tutorial or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon and happy drills!